Hi guys, I'm Saxby and welcome to Tech Talk. This is Saramonic Ultra, the ultimate 2-channel wireless microphone system with built-in timecode. This compact system is packed with powerful features that make it stand out. It has vocal boost for clear dialogue, auto gain control to handle sudden changes in volume, and it even supports 32-bit float recording, giving you an incredible flexibility in post. For the filmmakers, there's also built-in timecode feature for perfect audio-video sync. And with its water-resistant design, you can rely on it even in challenging shooting environments. The Saramonic Ultra includes an external antenna that extends up to 300 meters, making it a strong choice for weddings, live events, and large venues. It's designed with professionals in mind, offering tools that go beyond the basics. In this review, we'll take a closer look at how these features perform in real-world use, so you can decide if it's the right system for your workflow. So simulan natin tong video by looking inside the box. We have carrying pouch, 2 pieces lavalier microphone, 2 pieces dead cat, 3.5 TRS cable, USB-C data cable, 2 pieces magnet, and an external antenna. So as you can see, the Saramonic charging case is kakaiba, unlike sa mga nagamit ko ng mga wireless mics. So, itong texture niya is rugged look and merong iconic logo ng Saramonic and dumiilaw rin tong iconic logo ng Saramonic. If we're going to open the charging case, makikita natin na dito nakalagay yung dalawang transmitter natin at yung receiver. And meron din ditong 2 types of adapter. We have Lightning and Type-C adapter for our smartphones. Ang kagandahan sa application nila, pwede ka nang mag-video gamit yung application nila mismo. So, hindi ka na lalabas sa menu para mag-open ng camera. You can use the application directly to video yourself. And meron din siyang audio level, so makikita mo if nagpipick yung audio mo. Ang kagandahan dito, pwede mo rin baguhin yung noise cancellation, vocal boost, and yung other settings na nakikita natin sa receiver. Ang kagandahan pa ng application is after mo mag-record, pwede mo rin agad mapakinggan yung na-record mo. Meron siyang preview button, so maririnig mo agad if kailangan mo mag-retake or okay na yung video mo. So one of my favorite features on Saramonic Ultra is auto gain control or AGC. AGC is under gain modes. So we have 3 options under the gain mode. We have camera presets, which is set to A7C. Somehow, hindi pa siya pwedeng baguhin, but sure, they will release an update for this one. And this is auto gain. Ito yung nagwo-work with clear voice technology to maintain balance levels automatically. And this is particularly used for podcasts or interview shooting. So hello guys, ang gamit natin ngayon ay Saramonic Ultra. So itatry natin tong auto gain control if mag-work sa maingay na lugar. Ngayon ang settings natin ay -5 sa transmitter. Ang receiver ay 0, wala tayong ginalaw sa settings. Ang in-enable lang natin is auto gain control and -5 sa transmitter. So iti-testing natin if magle-level ba yung boses natin, yung audio natin sa environment. Ang purpose ng auto gain control is to level the audio automatically. So, hindi na natin kailangan magpindot-pindot pa or magmano-mano adjust ng volume pag sobrang lakas ng boses ko or pag sobrang lakas ng ingay sa paligid. And this is low gain. Low gain, ang work naman nito is it lowers the input sensitivity ng microphone. Maganda ito para sa mga maiingay na lugar, para maiwasan natin yung clipping or distorting na tinatawag. And alam nyo ba na kaya i-handle ni Saramonic Ultra yung 130 decibels na noise level? Saramonic Ultra has a features na ngayon ka lang nakita sa isang wireless mic. Ito yung vocal boost. Although marami pa ring modes ito sa Ultra, pero isa ito sa nag-stand out sa akin. There's an option sa menu na pwede kang makapili dito ng different sound mode. Like this one, we have original, vocal boost, and low cut. Vocal boost is a technology ni Saramonic na nag-e-enhance or nagbo-boost ng clarity or intelligibility ng dialogue. Meaning, mas pinapalinaw niya yung mga vocal para mag-stand out. Sound check 1, 2, 3. This is Saramonic Ultra. Our settings is -10 on transmitter and vocal boost is enabled. Hey, 1, 2, 3. Hey, sound check 1, 2, 3. And meron ding low cut. It cuts the low frequency sounds like wind noise, hum, and yung mga vibration. 32-bit float. So isa ito sa highlight ng Saramonic Ultra. Basically, it's a raw file with wide dynamic range, so it will give us flexibility when it comes to editing. And bare-recover rin natin yung file kung sakaling magkaroon ng clipping or distorting na tinatawag. So take note, 32-bit floating is only available when onboard recording is enabled. So every time na mag-shoot ka, huwag mong kakalimutan pindutin yung record button sa transmitter, or you can set it up sa receiver na automatically recording when you pull out the transmitter from the charging case. Alam naman natin sa mga ganitong type ng wireless mic system is built-in na yung antenna. But this Saramonic Ultra, they step further by putting state-of-the-art external antenna, boosting the signal strength and extending range up to 300 meters. Let's try the range test. Hello guys! So magte-test tayo ng Saramonic Ultra kung hanggang saan yung kaya niya. Naka noise cancellation tayo and negative 5 sa transmitter dahil medyo maingay ang mga kasama ko. Ngayon ay nakakabit ang antena, so mag-i-start na tayo. Tatakbo na ako. Sound check 1, 2, 3. So hanggang dito na lang siguro ako maglalakad kasi malayo na masyado to. So ayun lang. Nakatapos na tayo ng isang range test sa Saramonic Ultra. So basically, lalayo lang naman tayo sa camera para ma-check kung hanggang saan yung kaya niya. Isa ito sa pinaka-favorite kong features ng Saramonic Ultra. It has IPX5 rating, water resistance. So we can use this kahit nababasa or nasa ulanan ang set natin. But this is not fully weather sealed, meaning we cannot submerge the transmitter sa tubig. So hello guys, ngayon ay iti-testing natin tong IPX5 capabilities ng Ultra. So i-check natin if mag-work ba after mabasa. So may dala akong tabo dito para basain tong Ultra. So iti-test natin dahil hindi maulan, ito na lang ang gagamitin natin. So i-splash ko lang yung water dito sa Ultra and tignan natin kung mag-work. So ayan. So ngayon, ewan ko kung mag-work pa rin ba to. So binasa ko siya ng medyo madaming amount of water yun. Ayan, this is Saramonic Ultra IPX5 testing. Isa sa pinakamatrabahong part ng pag-edit is yung pag-sync ng audio. Especially if you are using multiple cameras, syncing is nightmare without timecode. Buti na lang itong Saramonic Ultra ay may built-in timecode. So mas mapapadali yung pag-edit natin and pag-sync ng audio. So we have different options when we enable the timecode. Of course, pwede tayong pumili ng frame rates, ng running, so we have real time and free running. We have 5 modes sa timecode. Mode 1 is most efficient for me. As you can see, there's a mini jack port and USB Type-C icon. All the recordings will be recorded on the left and all the file of timecode will be saved on the right. So ito yung mode 1. Mode number 2 to 5 is parang same lang ng mode 1. Iiba lang yung kung saan magre-record yung audio natin and timecode natin. Whether you are using a DSLR, mirrorless, smartphone, or even action cameras, this mic is compatible out of the box. Plug and go, no menu diving, no syncing nightmares, just press record, and okay na. So, i-test natin sa smartphone natin. So, right now, naka-attach yung Saramonic Ultra natin sa iPhone 15 natin. So, we're going to try it if working ba sa smartphone. So, naka-activate yung vocal boost natin. Ang settings natin for the transmitter is 0. For our receiver is negative 5. So, may tumatahol na aso. Ewan ko kung naririnig nyo. Pero, ayan. If tatap ko tong transmitter, maririnig nyo na. It's working. So, this is Saramonic Ultra on smartphone. And of course, para sa mga content creators na ang gamit na camera ay action cameras. Let's try it on my DJI Action 5. So, tinetest natin itong Saramonic Ultra sa motor ko. Medyo maingay yung motor natin. And tignan natin kung makaka-capture niya pa rin yung boses natin kahit maingay yung paligid. So, naka-activate yung vocal boost natin at negative 5 for both transmitter and receiver. Let's see if malinaw ba yung boses ko dyan. So, sound check 1, 2, 3. I'm Sax B and this is the Tech Talk. Hey, 1, 2, 3. Okay. And it works on most of devices na meron tayo ngayon. Wide range of compatibility ay pasok si Ultra.
Pagdating naman sa presyo ng Ultra ay bang for the buck na din dahil ang presyo nito is 14,490 pesos with lavalier mic. And meron silang version na walang lavalier mic. At ang presyo nito is 13,490 pesos.
So sino nga ba ang perfect gumamit ng Saramonic Ultra? Ako na isang wedding videographer, sobrang halaga sa akin ang range. Kasi pag nasa church ka or nasa malaking venues ka, yung range ng wireless microphone na gamit ko is minsan nagda-dropouts. So kung wedding videographer ka, isa sa hanap mo is yung magandang audio. And hindi ka makakabuo ng isang magandang video, isang magandang story sa wedding kung hindi ka gagamit ng magandang audio. Basically, wedding is story driven. So, napakahalaga dyan ng mga boses, yung mga sound bites. So, isa sa mahalaga sa akin, yung audio. Pwede rin to sa mga nagsushoot ng docu or AVPs. Kasi pag nagsushoot ako ng AVP or docu, lagi kong ginagawa, naglalagay ako ng lavalier mic. And good thing, itong si Saramonic mic is may kasama ng dalawang lavalier mic. Proven na to kasi sa mga last shoots ko, docu-film and some interview shoots. So unang-una yung last AVP shoots namin, ang main audio ko doon is Saramonic Ultra. And na-edit ko na yung video, sobrang solid naman ng audio, malinaw, malinis. And next one is yung docu-film namin. Usually sa docu-film na sinushoot ko is run and gun kami. So wala nang time mag-ayos or pumwesto kung saan maganda. So ang challenging doon, need mo na taniman si subject mo ng mic. So all day na yon. Lobat na yung isang transmitter, pwede akong magpalit, hugot na lang and kabit. And meron ding 32-bit float. So safe ako pag kailangan kong itaas or may kailangan akong habulin na level ng audio. So kaya ko siyang habulin dahil nga 32-bit float recording siya. Walang patayan, naka-record all the way yung transmitter ko. And umabot siya ng 6 hours. So to wrap it up, kung gusto mong i-level up yung audio mo without spending crazy money, the Saramonic Ultra is definitely worth it. Solid features, super easy to use, and reliable for almost any shoots. And if may questions kayo, drop them sa comments at sasagutin ko kayo. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para updated kayo sa mga gears review natin like this one. So ayun lang guys, maraming salamat sa panonood, and this is Saxby. This is Tech Talk.